Hello, welcome to week 5, physics. We're talking about friction and operations with vectors this week. Here's the thing though, you really need to work on getting your assignments turned in that are from weeks 1 through 4. Now if you look at week 5, okay, there's a reading, sure, okay, a short quiz. Then there's a cloze, C-L-O-Z-E, it's basically fill in the blanks activity on the reading that you just did. Vector glossary, okay, here's the sheet for it. So you just have to fill it out. And there's a vector video. So you could do these in any order, obviously. Vector video and a vector video note-taking sheet. So you have 5 full days this week. So there should be no problem getting these done. And then work on what's missing from weeks 1 through 4. Don't forget the discussion post. Remember, these are graded. Okay? I love the answers you guys have been giving me. It shows your creativity and your intuitive and inquiry-based mindset you have. That's fantastic. I got a lot of different answers, which shows me a lot that you guys really want to do well. So this video is graded this time. I'm putting an assignment on it. Here's the question. The question is, well, first let me stress, you need to get the vocabulary project from week 1 done. It's just, I think it's 30 words. Guys, it's from week 1. Let's take a look at it. Here we go. 4, week 1. Now, scroll down to the bottom of week 1. Here's the physics motion vocabulary words assignment that you need to get done. So click on that. Excuse me. Make sure you get that done and turned in by the end of week 6. It's worth 100 points. So let's get it done. All right, I'm going to go back to week 5, our current week. And I'm going to stress again, and then I'm going to put this question, and I'm going to have it graded for 25 points. I'm stressing to you, get the vocabulary project done. So here's the question, and it will be a Google assignment right after the discussion post. What am I stressing that you get done for this week and certainly by the end of next week? And it is that you get the vocabulary project done. That's the answer. Okay, easiest way for you to get 25 points in the world right there. I'm doing it to show you how important that it is that you get this done. Okay, so that's it for now. Have a great week and look forward to seeing you.